if you have to say I am a teacher, ana mudarrisun. Okay, why? I is translated as ana, no word for am, and teacher in Arabic is mudarris. So in case one, it's gonna be mudarrisun. I am a teacher, ana mudarrisun. You are a teacher, anta mudarrisun. Or it can be anti mudarrisatun. If the teacher is female, then it's gonna be mudarrisah. So anti mudarrisatun. He is a teacher, huwa mudarrisun. She is a teacher, hiya mudarrisatun. Simple, okay? Don't be confused. If you remember ana, anta, anti, huwa, hiya, and if you remember how the case endings, there's no problem at all. I'm a believer, ana mu'minun. You are a believer, anta mu'minun. You are a believer, a female believer, then anti mu'minatun. Okay, mu'min, female of it is mu'mina, so mu'minatun, anti mu'minatun. He is a believer, huwa mu'minun. She is a believer, hiya mu'minatun. Are you getting me? How will you translate I am Khalid? Ana Khalidun. Simple. And how will you translate I am Fatima? Ana Fatimatun? No. Hold on over here. It won't be Ana Fatimatun. Can you guess why? Remember yesterday's lesson. Because Fatima has to be in case 1, and case 1 of Fatima is Fatimatu, not Fatimatun. Why? Because Fatima is an exceptional ism. I told you yesterday, remember? Fatimatu, Fatimata, Fatimata. Not Fatimatun, Fatimatan, Fatimatin. Getting me? Female names that end with tamarbut are exceptional ism. Male names that end with an at the end are exceptional ism. And names of cities and towns and countries are exceptional ism. I told you this yesterday. So you have to remember the exceptional ism as well. You have to keep all the ism in case 1. But if it is exceptional ism, then case 1 will be like Fatima 2, not Fatima Tun. And if it's just if it's a normal ism, then it's gonna be like Khalidun, not Khalidu, Khalidun. You have to remember how to. That's why I taught you the Arab chart in the beginning. Okay. So if you have to say she is Aisha, hiya Aisha too, not hiya Aisha tun. She is Maryam. Yesterday I told that Maryam is a non-Arab name. So non-Arab names are also exceptional ism. Non-Arab names are also exceptional ism. So hiya Maryamu, not hiya Maryamun. Okay. He is Zaid. What will it be? Zaid is a normal ism. So huwa Zaidun. He is Imran. Huwa Imranu, not huwa Imranun. Why? Because Imran ends with an at the end. So you have to take care of it. If it is an exceptional ism, then you do not have to say huwa Imranun. You have to say